Okay, Robert, I've got your $29.95 here on the bench. This is the before video, so you can kind of see where we're at. I got your RF power all the way down, and we're in AM mode. We'll jump up here to the meters. First we'll show average power swing. I have a 100-watt slug in there, so we'll be reading that bottom scale. About 8 watts. About 20 average. And we'll move over here to peak. 500-watt slug in peak. So we'll be reading that middle scale there. Audio. About 145 on AM. I'll switch to sideband. Low, about the same on sideband. And I'll show you the frequency here. So AM mode. Looks like it's slightly off. Just a little bit, I'll fix that. And we'll go to upper sideband, turn on my total generator. Upper sideband seems to be dead on. And we'll go to lower sideband. Lower sideband's pretty close. I'll touch that up a little bit and get that going for you. So anyway, that is part one, the before. I'll go ahead and do my tune and alignment and be back with part two. Thanks.